So today we are at the Salt Lick on Highway 2 that is in between West and East Glacier. As most of you know, the fires have shut most of the west side down, which is kind of sad because the Colt never has been to going to the Sun Road, and Stephen's parents came up last night and there's a big chunk of the park that they're unable to see. The fires are still maybe 10 miles from where we're at, so we're safe and we haven't evacuated, but we're just gonna show them as much of the park as we can before the smoke gets too bad, hopefully. So here goes our day. We are at Mirage Pass at the Continental Divide. We're doing all the touristy things for my mom and papa to see today. We're thankful that we can see at least part of the mountains. We were scared they wouldn't be able to see hardly any of the mountains since the smoke is so bad in the area. So we're thankful for some views today. We're over at St. Mary's where we have made several pictures and things before, and so you can just see this is on the other side of the park, the east side. Kind of sad that my mom and papa aren't getting to see all the mountains from all the from all the smoke, but it is what it is, so there's really not a lot you can do about it, but you can see there's just shadows of mountains, and that's about it. So we've had pictures up here before. This is Jackson Glacier. You're not able to see the glacier there at all. It's kind of in between the two mountain ranges. It's usually snow and you can kind of see that, but it's gone today. So this is looking back over to where the going to the Sun Road goes, which is usually one of the prettier views, and it's not where you can see a whole lot now. The road's closed right there. And then this is Logan's Pass. I would say there's maybe 80% visibility. I mean, you can't really see a lot of the mountains at all unless they're real close to you. This is the trailhead for Hidden Lake Trail. And this is the mountain to the left there. Usually those are very clear, and you can see every detail of those. This is Reynolds Mountain, standing at Logan's Pass Visitor Center. And then this is Clement Mountain. So we're just standing here at the base, and they're kind of hard to see, just to give you a little clue of how the smoke is.
And it wasn't great.
They were pretty good.
God, ain't this the same guy?
Yep, that's the same. What was that at?
Come on, can you see off over there?
I remember that. I can see plenty. Colt, when we looked through that scope, they were bigger than that.
Yeah.
They had like a scope that you could...
Yeah, he had like a big moon looking at scope.
A spot scope.
It was general.
What that was.
Maybe.
That's how most spots.
So we came over here to Mini Glacier to see what it would look like here. The visibility here is not a lot better than it was at St. Mary's. I'll post some pictures of what we have seen before. My mom still thinks it's beautiful, but I feel like it's kind of sad that she hadn't got to see it the other way.
I can tell a big difference in your pictures and this, but oh, it's just wow. It's amazing.
I feel bad for those who've traveled far, and then this is all they get.
That one is.
How come there's a little bitty flames?
This is the Essex
They're way spread out.
fire.
That's probably where Amber landed or something. You can't see it.
We can see a little bit of the flames.
You can't really see it, don't count the
Looks
trees.
like it's grown a little since this
Which
morning.
trees?
There we go.
Smoky over there.
I don't see no fire.
Oh, there's
You
some.
see a little over there. They could have that put out in a little while if they just had the stuff.
I'll let you go, Papa.
This one over here.
That's terrible.
Maybe the wind's not blowing real bad.
Right there too.
There it is.
Yeah,
That's
we've done
big.
seen it, honey.
That ain't real.
Right there.
He's right up through the trees.
This is the weeping wall that you, I mean, it's right here beside the
Get closer, Daddy.
road.
Got you that?
I got a drink.
Here we go. It's gonna get us wet. It got me wet.
Yeah.
It's gold.
What's that video button?
Oh, there it is. Woo! Here we go. We're getting wet.
My window was down.
It's everywhere.
Everybody behind us is doing it
I eat. That is called water.
And then here's another view over this way.
Mommy, can I still eat? No, you can't eat steak.
now. You can, baby.
What? You're acting bad the same as I am.